Hi, Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. Today we're going to talk about unexpected benefits. Let's start off by saying one of the unexpected benefits is you're going to move around better. Not carrying all that weight, it's going to let you move around better. Your joints will feel better, you'll feel better. You'd be surprised how carrying around an extra 20, 30, 40, 60, 100 pounds does to your movement. And to your joints. It's not really good. Another thing that's going to happen, you're going to have better labs. Both you and your doctor are going to feel better about that. So enjoy it. You may even get off some medication. I know that I'm off my blood pressure medication. They've lowered my statin. They're thinking about taking me off of it. I don't know if they are, but any medication that you're not on regularly, that's a plus. That's just another unexpected benefit from the GLP-1 medication. And you're also going to have better self-esteem. The better that you look, the better that you feel, the better you're going to feel about yourself. And the better you feel about yourself, the better other people feel about you. So to me, that's a total win. I like feeling good about myself. I have never felt better since I can remember in my adult life. I have more energy. I just feel more confident. I feel like I belong more places. I never feel like anybody's staring at me, anything like that. So to me, that's another unexpected benefit. I care more about what I look like. Yeah, I'm going to take my time and wear clothes that fit and decide what to wear, what clothes look good on me, how I look. Now, I'm not really a vain person, but people didn't really even started noticing that I've lost weight because I was wearing my same old big saggy clothes that I was wearing because I just didn't really want to buy new clothes. Once I started buying new clothes and they actually started fitting better, people started saying, "You're losing weight. So you look really good. You look really healthy." And to me, that's another great unexpected benefit. That's not one that I thought that I'd feel from the GLP-1 medication. I like surprises. And you're also going to find out that you're in a better mood because you feel better, you look better, you have better self-esteem, you're probably taking less medication. So you're in a better mood. I know I'm a lot more happy now, and I'm like, I don't have that dreaded, are people staring at me? Do I have to get a table instead of a booth? Am I going to fit in that chair? Are people going to stare at me getting up or say, look at that little chair and that big person, let's see if they fit? No, yeah, I don't have that anymore, so I'm a lot happier about that. I don't have to worry about, oh, I'm going to have to sit in the front seat because those back seats are too small. Is this seat belt going to fit? None of that. So I'm in a better mood because of that. And this is a big one. You're going to lower the risk of all the health. You're going to lower the risk of all the medical problems that come with obesity. Diabetes, stroke, cancer, heart disease, sleep apnea. All of those could be really big problems, but you're definitely lowering your chances, if not taking them away altogether. So that's a huge one. Nobody wants to have a stroke and worry about what's going to happen to me, who's going to take care of me, or how this is going to cost, how this is going to affect my work, how this is going to affect my normal life. You don't need any of that. So that's a really positive, unexpected benefit. Well, maybe it is a little expected by the doctor, but it's just not one that the normal person who's obese or morbidly obese really thinks about. You really don't think about those comorbidities. You really don't care about those problems anymore. So remember, the higher your weight, the more your chances of breast cancer are, endometriosis, endometrial cancer, all sorts of cancers, all sorts of problems. And these comorbidities, you could get rid of all of them. And most important, you're lowering the risk of stroke and heart disease because those are really number one killers for people with obesity. So let's get rid of them. The medication will help. It's going to do that. So if you're happy about any of these unexpected benefits, please comment below. Please hit that subscribe button. And for today's contest, we're going to have a bird, either the emoji of any type of bird or the word bird. If you're a subscriber, you hit that like button and you comment bird or the emoji bird, you're entered to win. I'd really love to give you a gift card from Amazon. If Amazon doesn't work, anything that we could do by mail is fine. So far I've had 2 winners. Let's keep it up. Unless you won, once you've entered, you're always entered unless you won. Unless you had more than 1 entry, of course, but we take that 1 out. So enter as many times as you want and keep up the good work. Again, comment below what your best unexpected benefit is, and we'll chat about it. See you next time.